some live pictures now. The city of Boston, after an absolutely gorgeous day, the weather is going to be reflecting the mood of sports fans in the city tomorrow.
It's going to be raining, just what we needed, Barry, after tonight.
Yeah, a pretty soggy day coming up tomorrow. So different than today when it was absolutely exquisite around here. These temperatures, they just can't be beat in June. Even along the coast, it was pretty warm for a while before the sea breeze set in. It was just fantastic. Now we've fallen back to the lower 60s around Boston and points to the north, but 50s to the south. So it's going to be a decidedly different day. The air is still dry, so it's comfortable for sleeping tonight, and the air will still be dry tomorrow in terms of the dew point. Of course, it's going to feel damp because of the rain falling, but then on Friday and Saturday, the air is going to be pretty dry with dew points in the lower 50s, and that's still considered dry and comfy. But then we get to Father's Day, and it's going to spike up, so we're going to get into the more uncomfortable zone, not truly oppressive air, but still it's going to feel kind of muggy at that point. So low temperatures tonight in the low to middle 50s, maybe a few upper 40s before the clouds really thicken by dawn, and they'll be thickening tomorrow morning. It won't be raining first thing, but it'll be starting to push north from the New England south coast, and by mid to late morning, it's going to be raining hard at times into the first half of the afternoon. It's going to be right around 60 degrees. Some areas will get into the low and middle 60s over southeastern Massachusetts, but there's going to be a windy area over southeastern Mass, and the Cape will show you that shortly. Starting out in the morning with thickening cloud cover in the 50s, and then here comes the rain, but it's around 7 o'clock on the New England south coast, and then it pushes northward, so around 9 it starts in Boston. We'll get through much of the morning commute before it really gets soaking wet, and after that, late morning into the afternoon hours, the yellows and oranges and even reds indicate some very heavy rain. But look at these temperatures when the rain is falling. It's mostly in the 50s. It's kind of a cold rain as the low moves right up over southeastern Massachusetts. They turn warm and windy down here, and it looks like by the time they get to the game, the Red Sox game tomorrow evening, there's just a chance of a few showers and a little mist. Take the rain gear handy, but I think they should be able to get that game in with the rain mostly falling in a 6-hour period up to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. About 1.5 inches or more over parts of southeastern New England, and that's where they're going to have some gusty winds tomorrow afternoon out of the southeast at 20 to 40 miles an hour, but the rest of the region, not that much wind. So 7 days ahead, Friday, this is just a remote chance of a shower, times of clouds and sunshine. A beautiful day on Saturday, up to 82 and breezy, and then not so much on Sunday, on Father's Day, with varying amounts of clouds, a few scattered showers and storms, and it's humid into much of next week. That's my latest forecast. Lisa, David.
All right, Barry, thank you.